Today, we will learn body parts. We use our body to see, hear, eat, and play. Let's learn together and have fun. Let's start. Head. Head.
This is head.
Hair. Hair.
This is hair.
Forehead. Forehead.
This is forehead.
Eyebrow. Eyebrow.
This is eyebrow.
Eye. Eye.
This is eye.
Ear. Ear.
This is ear.
Nose. Nose.
This is nose.
Mouth. Mouth.
This is mouth.
Lips. Lips.
This is lip.
Tooth. Tooth.
This is tooth.
Tongue. Tongue.
Tongue. This is tongue.
Chin. Chin.
This is chin.
Neck. Neck.
This is neck.
Shoulder. Shoulder.
This is shoulder.
Arm.
This is arm.
Hand. Hand.
This is hand.
Finger. Finger.
This is finger.
Thumb. Thumb.
This is thumb.
Knee. Knee.
This is knee.
Waist. Waist.
This is waist.
Leg. Leg.
This is leg.
Heart. Heart.
This is heart.
Stomach. Stomach.
This is stomach.
Kidney. Kidney.
This is kidney.
Tummy. Tummy.
This is tummy.
Foot. Foot.
This is head. This is foot.
Toe. Toe.
This is toe.
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.